Greetings to all. Today we are going to see lesson friction.
Friction. Friction is a force that opposes motion between two surfaces that are in contact. It is present between the soles of our shoe and the floor, which is why we do not slip. Effects of friction. Some effect of friction are given below. Friction always act in the direction opposite to the direction of motion. Friction between two surfaces depend mainly on two factors: the force pushing the two surfaces together and the roughness of the surfaces. Friction generates heat. Rub your palms together. Do they get warm? The friction between your palms generate heat. A part of useful energy is dissipated in overcoming the friction. Friction generates heat and thus cause energy loss. Types of friction: static friction, sliding friction, and rolling friction are the three different types of friction. Static friction: the friction between an object and the surface on which it is resting is called static friction. Sliding friction: the force required to keep two objects moving with respect to each other is called sliding friction. Rolling friction: the friction that occurs when an object rolls across a surface. It is easier to overcome than sliding friction. When more force is applied and the object begins to move, moving friction occurs.
Advantages and disadvantages of friction. Friction has advantages as well as disadvantages, and we experience these every day. The advantages of friction are: friction allows us to walk. It gives us grip between our shoe soles and the ground. Otherwise, we would be slipping with every step. The brake pads on our cycle grip the wheel and increase friction so that the wheel stops moving. The scrubber we use to wash vessels in the kitchen remove grease through friction. The disadvantages of friction are: friction produces unnecessary heat leading to the wastage of energy. The force of friction acts in the opposite direction of motion. So friction slows down the motion of moving objects. Forest fire are caused due to the friction between tree branches. Increasing and decreasing friction. Friction has both advantages and disadvantages. Therefore, we sometimes need to reduce friction and sometimes to increase it. The following are examples where friction is increased. During certain sports such as gymnastics and weightlifting, we see players using rough powder on their hands to get a better grip. Using pressure while scrubbing a dirty pot or pan increases the force on the scrubber and increase friction. The following are examples where friction is reduced. Lubricants are substances that, when applied to motor parts, reduce friction. Wax, grease, and motor oil are lubricants. These are applied to reduce friction, especially when machines or motor parts rub against each other. We have completed the lesson. Hope you all understand.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you.